Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. In this highly desired Kingston 6 neighborhood, known as Tavistock, are two separate lots, totaling 44,309 square feet, and are being sold together. Lot 2, the larger of the two, boasts an impressive 3-level, 6-bedroom, 7-bathroom, 4,237 square feet house that commands spectacular city views. Two of the bedrooms and bathrooms are in self-contained flat. This property is perfect for one who craves retreating to his or her sanctuary at the end of each day. The house is powered with solar energy, has a backup generator, well-manicured garden areas, and lawn for hosting entertainment events. On lot 1, there is about 4,000 gallons of water storage with electric pump. There is also a swimming pool for your enjoyment and relaxation. The property has several fruit trees, including breadfruit, ackee, banana, plantain, otaheite apple, cherry, and there is a huge amount of space to do even more planting. This is your chance to own a piece of this exclusive neighborhood. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 2.1 million or Jamaican $323.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.